Hi guys, in front of me is Tecno Pova 5 Pro, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account. First of all, you need to open the settings. Then find and pick users and accounts. Here click on add account, mark Google if it's about Google account. And it's time to enter your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. So let me provide my email address and select next. Now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And then as only it is entered, click on next. Then decide if this device is yours or if it's your kids. Tap on next. Here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can smoothly read all of them by tapping on the links. However, if you do want to add your Google account, you need to agree on all the terms and conditions. Now you can manage Google services. Let me switch off backup, tap on accept, and that's it. As you can see, Google account is added. Then whenever you want to get rid of this account, mark it and select remove account. Then just confirm that you want to do it. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.